Don't let anyone or anything stop you from achieving your goals in Forex. I am Positive Trader, and this is what I do. I only offer the right information about Forex. This is what I do. This is what I do. Yeah. So I am Positive Trader. Once you have the right information about Forex, you will know when to buy, when to sell, and when not to sell. So it's a very important information that you need to have as a Forex trader, because this will lead you to be a consistent, profitable Forex trader in the Forex market. So only information that you need is the right information about Forex. This is what I do, and today I believe I don't usually trade NFP. Actually, I don't even trade news. But today, I saw a good opportunity. As you can see, take profit is gonna be hit soon. So this is what I do. And today, I did not want to miss that opportunity because I've seen it, and it was the best opportunity that I can have. And this is what I got. And I believe this is the only done with the right information about Forex. Once you have it, you will know. And once you know, you will become better. So I wish everybody the best in Forex market, and I believe you will make it. All you need to do is stay, give yourself time, and do the best that you can. Trade, learn, and then try to do best. But for now, I'm gonna close profit, and then I'm signing out, guys. God bless everybody.